Hey guys, what's going on? Bringing you another video today on the channel. So today I'm going to show you how to load a tune onto your X4, and then I'm going to show you how to load a tune on the X4 to program your Mustang. So remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe down below. Alright guys, so we're going to show you what to do if you're trying to upload a tune to your X3, X4. We have the X4 like so, plugged in. You can check for updates, but we're going to just load the custom tune file. So we're going to browse. And here's where it's going to be. And then you move it over. And you can move it back. You can also edit the name, which is also sometimes helpful. But we're going to remove it because we've already got it right there. So we're not going to program, but normally for this purpose, move it over here and say program. So it's going to do it. The bottom bar will show you the progress. And ta-da, it's on. And to do so, remove and program again. And Action will be deleting your tune. And it'll show you the progress. And it's complete. So we're going to go back, and that's that. You can check for updates if you need to. Probably a good thing to do before you marry the tuner to the car ECU. And it's always good to make sure, if you need to, you click up to date. But because we don't need to, go and hit cancel. And that's it for this part of the program. So top one. Top one.
Oh.
Yeah, that top one.
I'm a retard.
Okay, so folks, if you're new and you've never done this before, you leave everything off. Continue. Turn key off. Turn key on. I do have my jump start in case we need to keep it.
It should be good. I did start it. It ran and started and run this morning, so the battery should be solid.
Okay. So it saves the stock data and then does the next preparing the data. Then it installs the tune onto the ECU. This is going to take some time. We'll be right back. Almost there. Almost there. Clear DTCs. Clear DTCs. Turn key off. Turn key on. Load complete. Let it rip. Interesting. Have the failsafe engaged.
Yeah.
All right, so failsafe mode is engaged. We're going to please communicate. Please check communication. Okay. Load config again. No. Doing the magic. Initializing. Is this throttle position?
What's it saying?
TP relative. All right. Let her rip, tater chip. Hey guys, so thanks for watching up until this point. Gonna be sending the data log, or what we were able to data log of the car, and send it to LITO. Hopefully he can do a quick turnaround and figure out why it wasn't starting. Could be one of two things. We got a bunch of codes, one being a forced engine shutdown, which to me would lead me to believe some sort of fail-safe engine mode. Also, the fact that the throttle body might not have been working with us. So we're gonna keep the fingers crossed and hope that we get a quick turnaround time from LITO, and maybe we'll be able to get the car started later on this next week. Anyways, thanks for watching. We'll see you later. Hey guys, so that's gonna wrap up videos for today. Remember to hit the subscribe button down below to stay up to date on every upload, and we'll see you later.
Hey, bye-bye.